Once upon a time, in a quiet village surrounded by mountains, lived a 24-year-old young man named Marco. Marco's heart was restless. His mind never stopped thinking. Thoughts about the past made him sad, and worries about the future made him anxious. Day and night his head was full of noise, like a storm. He could not sleep well. He forgot how to smile, and peace seemed far away from him. One day, Marco heard about a wise old man living in a distant village in the hills. People said this man was once a famous psychologist in the city. He had helped many people find peace in their minds. But now, in his old age, he lived close to nature, giving advice to those who came to him. Hearing this, Marco's heart filled with hope. He decided to make the journey, believing that maybe this wise man could show him the path to peace. After many days of walking through difficult roads, Marco finally reached the village. At the edge, he saw a small house covered in greenery. On the porch, the old man sat quietly, eyes closed, looking calm and peaceful. Marco walked up and said gently, "Grandfather, my mind is always restless. I cannot stop thinking. I want peace in my heart. Can you help me?" The old man opened his eyes slowly and smiled. "So, you are searching for peace? Then, I will give you a small task." He filled a glass of water to the very top and handed it to Marco. "Walk to the edge of the village and come back. But remember, not even a single drop should spill." Marco was surprised, but he agreed, holding the glass carefully. He walked slowly down the road. The streets were noisy. Shopkeepers shouted, children played, and dogs barked. But Marco paid no attention. His eyes stayed only on the glass. Step by step, he returned safely without spilling a drop. He proudly said, "Grandfather, I did it." Not a single drop was lost. The old man smiled and asked, "That's good. But tell me, did you notice the children playing? Did you hear the dogs barking?" Marco looked puzzled. "No, I didn't see or hear anything. I was only focused on the glass." The old man nodded with a warm smile. "That is the secret. When your mind stays fully in the present moment, there is no space for fear or endless thought. You were not sad about the past. You were not worried about the future. Your mind was calm, and peace was already inside you." Marco finally understood. Peace is not something we must search for outside. It lives within us, and we can feel it when we live in the present moment. He bowed his head and said softly, "Grandfather, I understand now. If I want peace, I must stay in this moment. That is where true calm lives." The sun was setting, birds were flying home, and Marco began his walk back. But he was no longer the same restless young man. His heart was lighter, and his mind was calm. He had found what he was searching for, peace within himself. If you liked this story, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more inspiring stories. Stay peaceful, and remember the present moment is where true happiness lives.